guys, it's me Dominic. So you guys saw my community post I made Barbazoo. Well, today I'm gonna show a tutorial how to make him. First, you need to search this at castle, then press this one. So usually this is what it will look like, but first I need to change it back to the default version. Okay guys, now it's in default, so this is what you're gonna do. First, the eyebrows should be wait. Okay guys, so the eyebrows should need to be like that at the first one. Then the color should be wait. This should be the color. Then the mouth needs to be there. Now the pose, it just has to be there. And there you go. You have Barbazoo in castle.